Welcome to our channel, where we plunge into the realm of passive income and walk you through the process of creating a diversified portfolio that provides regular cash flow. In this comprehensive video, we discuss the significance of diversity and present ideas for building a passive income portfolio that minimizes risk while maximizing returns. Before we go into diversification, let's go over what passive income is. Passive income is money earned with little effort on a consistent basis. It's all about generating money streams that work for you while you sleep. Diversification is one of the keys to developing a successful passive income portfolio. Understanding the diversification effect. Diversification is a fundamental financial principle. It entails diversifying your investments among several asset classes, industries, and geographical regions. You can lessen the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall returns by diversifying your portfolio. Diversification helps to preserve and stabilize your cash flow in the context of passive income by limiting the risks associated with relying on a single income stream. Diversifying your portfolio also entails diversifying your investments across several asset classes, such as equities, real estate, bonds, and even online enterprises. This method reduces risk while increasing possible returns. So, how can we successfully diversify our portfolio of passive income? Diversification is essential when constructing a passive income strategy. Diversification across industries or sectors is a common technique since it can help decrease the impact of economic downturns in a certain area. Investing in both technology and healthcare stocks, for example, can help to balance your portfolio. Geographic diversification is also significant. Investing in diverse countries or areas helps to mitigate the effects of localized economic shocks. For example, if you have substantial investments in the United States, it may be prudent to examine prospects in rising economies such as China or India. You must consider numerous asset classes while constructing a diversified passive income strategy. We look at popular investments including dividend stocks, real estate, bonds, peer-to-peer lending, digital assets, and others. Each asset class has its own set of attributes, risk profiles, and earning potential. Understanding the benefits and downsides of each asset class is critical for determining the best asset mix for your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversifying passive income strategies. 1. Dividend stocks. We go over how to choose dividend-paying firms from various industries and geographies to build a diversified dividend stock portfolio. We look at methods for finding companies that have a track record of continuous dividend payments, good financials, and growth potential. 2. Real estate. Diversifying within the real estate asset class entails taking into account different types of properties, residential, commercial, or industrial, as well as geographical regions. To diversify real estate holdings, we cover the advantages of owning rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate crowdfunding, and investing in real estate syndications. 3. Bonds and fixed income. Bonds provide a consistent income source while also helping to diversify risk. We look at various sorts of bonds, such as government bonds, corporate bonds and municipal bonds, and talk about their income potential, risk factors, and credit ratings. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. We investigate peer-to-peer lending services to see how you might diversify your loan portfolio across borrowers with varying credit profiles. We cover the potential returns, dangers, and concerns for investing in this asset class, as well as the due diligence techniques and default rates used by platforms. 5. Digital assets. As Bitcoin and digital assets gain popularity, we show how you may diversify your passive income portfolio by dedicating a percentage of your investments to this developing asset class. We go over the possible benefits, hazards, and issues related with digital assets, such as market volatility, security measures, and regulatory considerations. Monitoring and rebalancing. Creating a diverse passive income portfolio is a continuous process that necessitates continual monitoring and occasional rebalancing. We address the significance of examining your investments on a regular basis, rating their performance, and making modifications as needed. We investigate methods for rebalancing your portfolio in order to preserve the correct asset allocation and risk level. Considerations and risks. No investment plan is without risk. We manage common diversification risks like as market volatility, interest rate volatility, tenant vacancies, credit defaults, and regulatory changes. Understanding these risks and implementing a risk management strategy are critical components of developing a sustainable passive income portfolio. We talk about risk mitigation measures include rigorous research, due diligence, and keeping an emergency fund. Diversifying a passive income portfolio is an effective method for achieving financial stability and long-term wealth. Subscribe to our channel for future videos in which we will discuss advanced diversification strategies, additional passive income strategies, and provide information on new investing opportunities. Begin your journey to financial independence by constructing a diversified passive income portfolio that supports your financial goals while minimizing risk. Remember that diversification is essential for passive income investing success. Let's go on this road together and build a portfolio that provides continuous cash flow, so you can enjoy the benefits of financial freedom and security.